Months ago, my wife spoke of a new shower system being manufactured. That would be a new experience in showering. She had difficulty working the valves that changed the head shower to the handheld. She asked if we could get the new shower head and it would save water. I said, okay. Then I forgot about it. Last week a box was delivered to our door, and then I remembered. I opened the box, laid out the parts, read the instruction manual, and gathered the needed tools plus some. I laid down an old towel to keep the floor clean and keep anything out of the drain. Removed the old shower head and handheld along with the existing pipe and trim. Moen supplied this handy tool to check the depth from the face of the tile to the face of the pipe fitting. It helps you select the proper pipe adapter. Use a supplied Teflon tape to wrap around the non-slotted end of the pipe adapter and insert it into the pipe fitting. Use the depth tool with the 2 slots to screw the pipe into the fitting until you can't turn it anymore with your hands. Now you don't need to Teflon tape the end of the adapter pipe, but I am doing it to make the collar fit a little better. Now install the collar until the back flange is in line with the tile face. Now carefully install the Nebia. Nebia? Well, from now on I'm just going to call it the unit. Carefully align the stem of the unit and install it in the collar until you hear it click. I was supposed to remove the back sticky cover, but I didn't do that because I didn't want to accidentally stick the unit in the wrong place. Use a small level to plumb the unit and mark the side with some blue tape. To remove the unit from the wall, press down on the release button at the top of the unit and carefully remove it. Now at the lower back of the unit, remove the tape and the sticky back cover. Carefully reset the unit, keeping it aligned with the blue tape. Once the unit clicks in place, press down on the bottom of the unit for 1 minute to secure the unit to the wall. I just remember that I was supposed to wipe down the area wall tile with an alcohol pad to help with proper adhesion to the wall. Oh well. Insert the shower head hose into the unit's tube and snap the head in place. I'm using the old screw holes from the old handheld base to attach the new base bracket. Once that's done, line up the dome, press it in, and turn to the right. Remove the protective cover on the metal end of the long hose and insert it into the handheld unit until it snaps in place. Remove the protective cap from the end of the shower head hose and insert it into the port at the bottom of the unit. Do the same with the handheld hose. Wait. Upon investigation, there is a plug in the other port. To remove this plug, you must remove the unit from the wall. Press down on the release button at the top of the unit. Carefully pull the stem out of the collar while holding the bottom of the unit close to the wall. Slide the unit upward to release from the bottom bracket. Now, at the bottom back of the unit, locate the plug. Press the black button, remove the plug, Now insert the handheld hose into that port. Now reset the unit by holding the bottom of the unit a little high at the bottom of the wall bracket and sliding down a little. Align the stem and inserting it into the collar until it snaps in place. Now give the sticky pad time to set. The instructions say 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and it's time to test the shower. My review of this shower, the Nebia from Moen. I work in a grimy world. I like a shower that cuts the dirt and grime right off your body. This shower is like standing in a gentle rain. You get plenty of water, but not the strong, grime-cutting action of the old days gone by. I know the days of wasting water are over, but do you really save water in a shower that takes you 20 minutes now, when it used to only take 10? I like to set the pressure and the temperature, but in this new modern era, you can only set the temperature, not the pressure. I do like the long hose on the handheld. It helps you reach some hard-to-reach places like your feet. However, it only has 2 jets, 2 streams. It would be more helpful to have 3 or more. It also shares pressure with the head, so they're both on at the same time, so the overall pressure goes down. Me, I pine away for the old ways. Personally, I don't recommend it. I asked my wife how she liked it. She said it is certainly a different experience. I asked if she could recommend it to others. She said she didn't know yet. The jury is still out. I can say it does get you wet, but personally, I would choose something different, but that's just me. It's been a few days, and my wife said I should change it back. Sometimes the product does not measure up to its marketing. The overhead shower was just constant, and the handheld was just weak. It was ridiculous. I'm told that women like a high shower head when they want to wash their hair, and a low shower head when they don't want to. In the process of restoring back to what it was, I am installing this little lever valve to switch between the high shower head and the handheld. Hopefully this will make it easier for my wife. And later I did replace this new shower head with the old shower head. The old shower head is so much better, so hopefully we're both happy now. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please feel free to comment. I hope you have a tremendous day.